and welcome back to Archana's Jhatpat Cooking. Good evening, friends. Today I'm planning to make tomato rasam, which is one of South India's specialities. So I'll quickly run you through the ingredients I would use to make rasam. Here are these. These are 3 finely chopped tomatoes. I have a finely chopped onion, 3 finely chopped green chilies, some garlic cloves, and I have the curry leaves. So all these ingredients would be used to make a rasam, and I have also kept dal, urad ki dal, which I would be using in the rasam. And I have coriander powder. I don't have coriander leaves today. Then there is cumin powder and turmeric powder, chili powder, and at the end goes the pepper powder. And I also have mustard seeds, राई जिसे कहते हैं, cumin seeds, jeera, and salt to taste. I have kept water for boiling, and I'm planning to put my tomatoes into it now. In fact, I'm also going to add the other ingredients to the boiling water. And here goes the chilies after the onions. I guess the dal is boiled sufficiently. Let it cool, and let me add the curry leaves to it, and I'm going to start adding the masala to it. Here goes the turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder. This would be largely for color, beautiful color, and some taste. Look at it, how it's getting, everything is getting boiled. And I'm adding the salt to it now. Let our mixture get boiled properly. In fact, the reason to put everything into water is that each of these will start releasing the flavors. And trust me, friends, once every ingredient into the rasam starts releasing the flavors, it will take you to a different world altogether. I hope I would make a better rasam today. Okay, friends, I'll tell you what I'm going to make now for the rasam. These are, I hope you can see this. I don't know, I'm not sure. Let me check myself. Yeah. So these are our garlic cloves and a bit of cumin seeds. And I'm planning to crush these with the help of बेलन. मेरे पास कुछ और है नहीं, खलबत्ता नहीं है बेसिकली मेरे पास. So I'm going to crush these and add it to our boiling rasam. So let's start, friends. I think in the beginning I said उड़द की दाल by mistake. ये उड़द की दाल तो नहीं है, ये अपनी तूर की दाल ही है, जिससे काफ़ी कुछ बनता है, दाल तड़का, सांभर and our very own पीली दाल. So this I'm going to add into our rasam. This basically acts as a thickening agent here, a thickening product to the rasam, because rasam is usually it's a liquid, right, as in it's diluted version of a dal. So let's add it to our rasam. I think 3 scoops of it should be sufficient, because ultimately we are making a rasam, right? And let me start preparing for the tadka. Well, let me show you the mix, the masala that I prepared with the garlic and the cumin seeds. In goes this entire thing to the rasam. This is largely for an amazing flavor to our rasam. So let's see what we do next. Of course, I know what we have to do next. I have to prepare the tadka. भाई काम तो ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, but करना तो पड़ेगा. Okay, friends. Tadka and it's almost ready. So let us transfer our tadka into the rasam. Yo! Wow! Amazing, yeah. In goes the tadka, and here comes our rasam, a beautiful South Indian rasam. Trust me, friends, there cannot be a bigger pleasure than this as of now, because this can be served with white rice, a hot white rice, and there you go. That's your dinner. At least that's my dinner for now. So friends, कैसी लगी मेरी रसम की रेसिपी? आई एम श्योर बहुत मज़ेदार लग रही होगी, एटलीस्ट देखने में. खाने में भी मज़ेदार है, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर. So do like, share, subscribe to Archana's Jhatpat Cooking for more updates and videos on healthy cooking. Thank you so much.